Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So right now we can unroll the top bar, which will open more information and more options which we can customize. So let's simply unroll those options, and as you can see here we've got the timer. Let's tap on it, and we've got in total 4 options. So the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay, simply tap on it. As you can see, and this option will be highlighted in this reddish color, I believe. And after getting back to the camera, you can see that we've got it also notified right here, which is a really useful option because you don't have to enter the settings every time to check whether you've got the timer applied or not. All you have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, of course you can also turn off the timer whenever you want to, and you can do it fastly just by tapping on this option here. So as you can see, you can fastly turn it off just by tapping on it. The icon will disappear, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Of course you can also do it right here in those settings whenever you've got the timer set, for example on 10, simply tap on this crossed out icon and the timer will be turned off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.